Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video we are going to learn about input forms in HTML. So input forms are basically some forms which take our inputs like our name and then address, phone number, place of birth, date of birth, and etc. So without any further delay, let's start. So this is an very basic code of in form. So first the form tag opens, the form tag closes, and in between we write the what is your name and etc. So in this point we have to write whatever we want to, and here the input begins. So input type equals to text. So what does this mean? Okay, so there are many types of inputs: text, password, and etc. So for now, this is in very basic code, so we are going to learn text. But we wait a second, guys. Some problem occurs in between. So yes, so I was talking about the text. So we'll learn about different types of input type in this video. So don't leave this video until the end. So the next question is, what is your phone number? Input type equal to text. Here many of you guys will be confused, like the phone number is in numbers and how it would be text. So I will explain it to you later. And then the form tag closes. So now let's try to practically by going to my computer screen. So guys, here I am in my computer screen. So I have written all the code here, like doc type HTML, head tag close, body tag open, and then form. The main code is here. So let's save this file and go to Google Chrome to see how does this file look like. So I will like praneet dot html. So now let's save it and then see how does it look. And here guys, there's some problem that it is coming like this and the phone number is like this. So now we are going to use a very special tag, the br tag. So I think I've explained the br tag, but if I have not explained the br tag, let me tell you. So br tag just means break line. So if I write break line after this point, the line will break and this will come down, and the what is your phone number and the input will come to a line, and that's what I need. So I will just write here br break line. So as I write here and then Control S, remember to save the file, Control S, and then just reload it, and now it's perfect. Now I can write here my name like Praneet, and here I could write my phone number like 98192847988827 and etc. Okay, so after we write it, we are done with it, and when we reload it, it comes empty. Okay, so now let's find more of these type of input types. Now guys, we have the email and the date tag. So how to use it? First of all, we have to write here email, and then here we so I was looking at the keyboard, so I didn't look at the screen. Email, and here input type equals to, we'll write here email. emails. So now let me tell you how does it work. So first of all, control S, let's reload it, and we have the email, but we haven't given the BR tag, so just wait for a second. We'll just copy this and paste it here, and now let's see how does it look. Okay, so I've not saved the file, and that's the reason. Control S, and then yes, now I could write like ABCDOL and whatever I want to write, but if I just go to the next one or reload it, so no, it is different, because if I don't write at the rate and submit the form, we have not learned about submitting the form in the submit button. So if I submit the form, then it will show that a message like the input should be containing an at the rate for the email. Let me show the picture to you guys. So guys, here you can see this an input type email error message, please match the requested format. Okay, so this is an error of the gmail of the at the rate, and he has written here John 1 and it doesn't contain at the rate. So this gives an error message like please match the requested format, and like that it also gives like please give an at the rate in your email and etc. So now let's go back to our main page, and for some styling I can write here before we have learned it in the headings in I think the second video. H1, and then we will write here input form. So now let's control S, and after the email we will have to write the date. So in the date type we will just write here date, and I've made a spelling mistake, date, and then we will write here input type equals to date, and after that, oh, I forgot to give the BR tag, and oh yes. So now let's see how does it look, but the date tag is not coming. Let's see the reason why it is not coming. Input type equals to date, and I guess the problem is that this. Okay, so I have not closed the tag, and yes, now let's control S and see. Yes, now the date is coming, but I guess some problem occurring here. So let's see the problem. So guys, some problem occurred in my computer. It's not my fault, it's the computer's fault, and it's fault, I think, of the versions of the version, or like version HTML1, HTML2, HTML 4.0, HTML5, and etc. So it's problem all the of the versions. So so that's it, the problem ended, but it's not like that. And I was telling that this is the part 1 of the input tag, because the video is becoming very lengthy and I said this a very long topic. So the second part will come soon. Till the next video, goodbye and take care.